Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing deliverables so uploading is fast and clean. First, export images at web resolution and compress videos to MP4. This reduces upload errors and speeds previews. Next, draft a concise title and a 1-2 sentence project summary that explains what you made and why it matters. Then select 3-5 relevant tags to improve discoverability. Once done, prepare credits and license notes. Make sure attachments and source files are labeled so viewers can understand usage rights and context. You now upload and structure the project pages. Drag and drop your cover image first. This is the thumbnail viewers see. Then add images and MP4s in the order you want them to flow. Once uploaded, crop or set focal points, add alt text for accessibility, and embed any prototype links or video players. Make sure to fill fields like tools used, timeline, client, and a project URL. These metadata items increase reach and help curators understand the workflow and technologies involved. You finish by reviewing and publishing with intent. Double-check spacing, captions, and tags, then pick visibility, public to gain audience, private for drafts, or limited to share with select people, and publish or schedule the post. After publishing, share direct links to social profiles and add the project to collections for extra exposure. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Clear your browser cache, reduce file sizes, or switch browsers. These steps fix most upload and rendering issues, so your project appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.